We're gonna bonk northeast gate, okay? Northeast gate. Okay, this is more playing field, no?
Meron silang BS
Black Pearl is good.
May
It's a
BS
good.
sila nagtago ng item. Nagtago ng
So.
item.
Kamis, please. Kamis. Follow crown. When you're getting lost,
Nasa
follow
gate
crown.
sila.
Do not
Baka
leave the
ma-engage
crown.
ka.
Putang ina. How many times do we have to fucking...
Double, nakita ko.
Kamis. Up to choke. Up to choke.
Wailing
East.
bomb ba? Wailing bomb.
Railing bomb. Okay, be ready defensives, yeah. We have one-hander cane, right? Can that one-hander cane and GA be fucking vocal, please? When you see the wailing bombs,
Running
tell
to you,
us
running
which
to you.
direction. Dismount here on
Running
this
to
show.
Going
What's their comp?
Clap.
Clap on not brawl?
Clap.
No brawl? They have no brawl?
Clap melee clap.
Melee clap. Okay. Puts up overcharge.
Melee
Guys,
clap
we're
to.
snaking hella bad. Hold
Wala
here.
pa akong nakitang brawl item.
Hold here. Okay, now we come South together.
Meron silang Judy healer, so probably may brawl to.
South, we bomb immediately, okay? Ready South in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South now. Fast bomb.
Huge
Good fucking bomb,
damage.
boys. Come back.
Ready to hold.
Come back. So you.
Hold down.
Start
Ready to
bonking.
hold.
Putang ina nyo, nakabomb din tayo na malupit. Shibal. Bank the
8
fucking
seconds.
gate.
Hold down 8 seconds.
Holding.
Pwede ako mag
Holding.
Pwede ako mag-fake ha. Pwede ako mag-fake.
Ready. DPS ready.
Fake now. Faking now. Come back. Keep bombing.
Hindi na fake.
Wait,
Mag-fake ako ulit.
Keep bombing, please. Keep bombing. Spread out, huh, guys? Spread out.
Pag lumikit sila, mag-fake ako ha. Faking sila.
Spread out.
Main engage.
Spread out.
Faking ako ulit ha. Faking.
Yeah. Look at our
nabomb
shell.
sila ni Mama, nabomb. Keep bonking.
Our shells now to the north. On our shells. Okay, actually come.
Hindi na ko.
Keep bonking.
Nabomb sila.
Keep bonking. Keep bonking,
Nice
please.
bomb.
Level 26 on the gate.
26
Stop
on the gate.
looting, guys.
Broken.
D-tanks. Need eyes on that blob. Bonk east, please. Bonkies. Need eyes on that blob. Ready south here.
Ready, faking ako ha. Ready, faking ako. Faking.
Holding.
Hindi na fake.
Guards, please. Guards.
Purple west side, Purple west side.
Come lang, engaging.
3 to 1, sat now. On this one D-tank. Kill this one fucking D-tank.
Nice, dead.
Level 12 nagbobonk sila ng Southgate.
It's okay. Para pressure parehas. Pinoy pride to, guys. Pinoy pride. Faking ako after ha.
Sige lang. Who's South Gate right now?
15% case
Faking.
Keep ponging. Watch for bomb. They're bombing. Ready,
Bombing.
South on the D-tanks. South on the D-tanks. I get left behind. South on the
Heal.
Hill front.
Hold, please. Hold.
Second gate na yung Tisoy. Second gate na sila.
Holding.
Faking ako ha. Faking now.
Heal in front, guys. Heal in front.
Cool down CPS, please.
Guards muna.
Cool down CPS.
5 seconds.
Ready to hold pad siya.
Guards,
Ready to hold pad.
Ready DPS ready.
Look at guards. Please, look at guards. Look at the guards. Kill the guards.
Kill the guards muna.
Comes out.
Masakit yan. Kill the guards.
They're not here. Come
South na.
West side sila.
Look at this D-tanks.
Pwede mo na to engage yung tanks.
5, 4, dito on the D-tanks now. On the D-tanks in front of us. Kill the
Nice.
Pwede ka mag-pump sa wall.
Pa-hold.
Get ready.
You have no cooldown.
Nag-tank muna kami.
Please kill the
Kunin
tanks.
natin to.
Kill the shellos here. Now guards.
Do not click out.
Now focus guards.
We take the castle, boys.
Nagpo-push na yung Black Pearl sa Tisoy. Pinupush na nila sa
It's
South.
okay. We need the castle. It's okay. We know.
Take the castle.
Guards. Puting ina mo.
We cannot fight outside.
Outside the castle na sila. Outside the castle.
We know. Chapo, we know.
Chill. Yung guards.
Tite, guardia, puki ng ina, tite, guardia, may isa pang buhay yung, puti, tite, guardia, Lord. Thank you.
Huwag niyong i-call yung mga obvious, huwag niyong i-call.
Okay, no.
Sabihin niyo pagpabalik na sila.
Get the fucking Lord. Holy fuck.
Eyes outside.
Oh Lord, tite,
Si
puki.
Sage yata, hindi yata si Chapo. Hanip ka Sage.
Fucking Lord. Okay, engage in the Lord in 5, 4, dito on the Lord now.
You're free. Balik Sage, mamatay ka dyan.
Tite, putang ina yung Lord, men. Patay na dapat to, men.
Faking
Thank
ako
you,
sa
guys.
Lord.
Amon still fighting outside the castle, ah.
Ayan
Guys,
na
okay,
sila.
we take the fucking castle and then we fight again.
We fight sa gate, not outside. They will brawl
Guys,
us if we go outside.
we're club comp, huh? They're brawl.
Melee sila, melee, pure
Hey,
melee.
come us. Where they were rotating now? Mount top first.
Pwede ka mag-south ha. Pwede ka
Yun
mag-south,
nasa, take
in
the
and
loot.
out. Check ko yung south ha.
Follow crown, please. Follow crown.
Puno na ako, boss ko po. 20M dala
3
ko.
screen away sila from south, 3 screen away.
Okay na yan, Jonas.
Okay.
Checking
Follow
ako.
crown. Oh, wait. They're going to us.
18%.
Okay, come east actually. Come east.
Andito
Dismount.
sila sa ping amo, no? 3 screen away from you.
Guys, we kite.
4 screen, 4 screen.
Please, we kite, huh? We kite. Dismount.
Ready to hold tanks ha. May mga mobs dyan.
Please, we kite, okay? We kite. After we engage, we kite. Okay, come south.
18% sila.
Come south. Where they at
Still
now?
18. Andito sa ping, ito yung pinaka-backline nila. Mga D-tanks lang to lahat.
Come south. Keep
Going,
walking.
facing you now? Facing you now?
Facing me now?
We're
Dito,
sneaking
dito sa ping.
We're
Facing you now.
sneaking on
First
Two
engage,
screen,
5,
two screen.
4, 3, 2, 1,
Nag-engage na sila.
First engage, stop.
Nag-engage na sila.
South. Now kite north immediately.
Wala na silang engage ha.
Immediately. Look at this
Scrap
D-tanks.
support.
Guys, kite immediately. Kite, we're not brawl. Kite north.
Mount
Are
up
they
ako ulit ha.
Following
No,
us?
no.
not chasing out.
Mount up ako ulit.
Cool down CPS.
Nandito sila sa ping ha.
Yes, ready.
Lumalaban sila. Nakita mo Jabol kung nag-engage sila?
Hindi pa.
Nag-engage sila. Nag-full engage sila.
Guys, ready
Malayo
for
ka
that.
ha. Kailangan mo
Screens
na
sa'yo.
ping.
3 screens away ka, 3 screens away.
Nasa ping ha. Nasa ping.
Keep walking through.
May BS sila. Ito yung BS nila sa east side ha. Reef
Keep
BS.
walking.
Ready, magpe-face na sa'yo ha.
One screen. Pwede
Okay,
ko mangkat.
One screen.
listen. South in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South now. Huge fucking
This
clump.
not on the west.
Tangina mo.
This not west side. This not west side.
Come on. Kite back. Cool down
Hindi.
CPS. Pressure.
Facing sila. Hold them. Facing sila.
Kite.
Don't worry, they're not following.
Kite north.
They're not following ha. They're not following.
following.
Pwede mo na i-push to. Pwede mo na i-push.
Yes,
Nag-east side sila. Nag-engage sila. Nag-full engage sila sa east side.
Cool down CPS.
I-hold ko sila. Na-hold sila.
Cool down CPS. Cool down.
Wala silang cooldown.
5, 42, in front of us only. On the fucking crown. only.
Nice.
Okay, good
Please
man.
go.
They're running dito sa east side ha.
Come on.
Hindi sila
May
nagpe-face. You can push.
Come on. We're not running over.
East. Marami east.
Listen, we're not running over. Keep following crown.
Maraming east. Hold them tanks. Hold them.
Rotate na yung bistak sa east.
Following crown.
Okay.
Keep following
Bisdak
crown.
na yun nasa front ha.
Following crown. Okay, come east now.
Alis dyan, Chapo. Patay ka.
Come east now. Come northeast now.
Bisdak
Build
yung
the
east ha.
backline of Bisdak.
Cool down DPS.
Ready.
Walk through.
Bisdak na yan ha. Bisdak na yan.
Walk through only. We have
Pabim ako.
walk through, please. Walk through.
Southeast muna. Southeast muna. Bisdak ha. Southeast muna.
Catching.
Listen, you look south.
Catching.
South.
Southeast.
You're not dropping anything yet. We headbutt, okay? We headbutt.
Nabam sila. Nabam sila.
We headbutt.
Nasa northeast muna. Facing na sila. Hold them.
Ready. Hold you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Isa rabas now.
Nice. Nasa north na yung Bisdak ha. Nasa north na and east.
South is yung
North
bomb
and east.
squad nila.
Come on. I don't think Jin is here anymore. Are they here?
Tumatakbo sila.
Nice, boy.
You can catch anyone. You can catch.
Catch him. They're broken. You're broken.
Nice, boy.
Mount up ako ulit ha.
Tang ina nyo, nanalo din. Tite.
Welcome to Bridge Watch, Amon.
Ang ganda ng bridge watch, boy! Bagay sa
Hindi,
atin.
iba yung quality. Ito na ba yung sinasabing paradise?
Oh guys, if they're still fighting, we go to paradise ha. They're still fighting.
Guys, yung blob sa southeast, pag clean up kayo dyan, ubos kayo dyan. Andito
Mount
kami sa northeast, so.
Regroup, guys. Regroup.
Group kayo. Huwag nyo nang habulin yan. Ito isang bisdak ko.
Oh,
Papalampasin niyo ba to? Pinoy to, guys.
In.
Di ba trust talker kayo ng Pinoy? Meron pang isa dito.
Oh no, they're just retreating.
Hindi, mabait ako. Si Girl, sabi mo, trash talk daw ako nung nag-chat. Si Girl sa'yo.
Okay, we're good. We looted the castle, right? The castle is good.
Not yet.
Hindi pa po
matanggap ang
lahat.
pagkamatay niyo.
Okay, guys, come to the castle. Real quick, come to the castle. Wait, who the fuck was AFK here?